Alright, welcome back. Getting going this morning and working on the gluing in the G10 threaded back plates that you use when you join the two halves for a semi-permanent. If you use the B version, so that way you can easily transport it, you basically would glue these in. So it's a kind of slide and lock in, which I'm not going to do because I don't have to remove the tail every time I need to transport it. So I've already roughened them up with some sandpaper, cleaned them off with some acetone, went inside here. This is all carbon fiber around on the inside. Cleaned that up a little bit, sanded it, cleaned it up with some acetone. I did notice there was still some plastic in this area through here, like the peel mold release stuff, whatever they call that, I don't know what's called, peel ply or something like that, I don't know, but that stuff was stuck in there, and I scraped and tried to get most of it off, and I just took a lighter and just kind of went over it, and it got rid of the little bit I couldn't get out. But cleaned that up, sanded it, put some acetone in there so I get a good adhesive. It's not a huge deal because the bolts are going to be holding it together, but just wanted to make sure I got a good adhesive bonding to that area. That way it spreads the load. Kind of looking at this thing as I'm going along, and it's a nice jet. I mean, you look around at where they put things and how they reinforced it, and you really don't find yourself guessing why they put that there. It's pretty straightforward. It's got reinforcement where it needs to be reinforced, and everything. They use nice. It looks like competition ply. You know, the real. It's still a ply type wood, but it's like they said, it's a lot lighter than the standard aircraft ply, and I like that. I mean, it's good stuff. It's real light and it's strong as long as you use it in the right locations. Major areas still have the aircraft ply, real good aircraft ply, so that's a plus. I did notice that the tail section, it's hard to see, but you know, it looks like that's that Airex material, kind of that foam board stuff with the layup, and they didn't do that on the nose. You know, the nose is just a typical composite layup with some reinforcement, and I'm guessing that's weight saving, plus the tail needs to be needs a lot more strength because, you know, you got your rotor and your elevators bolted onto it, giving you all those twisting forces and everything. Plus it heats up a little bit from the tailpipe, but it's a nice beefy tail section, a lot of wood in there. Take this off. You can kind of see in there. So I like it. It's a well-built, well-designed jet. So hopefully, well, I know it does. I've seen it fly, so it'll be a great jet. So I'm gonna get these glued in, and then move on to getting all the control horns put in. And once all the control horns are put in, really the only thing left to do is put the nose gear in, which everything's already cut out. You just have to measure it, glue it in, cut out for the nose door and the fuel tank mounts, and it's all interlocking. It's all like building a kit plane. It's real simple. So within the next day or so, it should be for the most part done, and then it's just putting all the equipment in. So I'm gonna get back to it. You guys have a good one.